From the Colonel's Kitchen, the home of our secret blend of herbs and spices, where taste meets innovation, comes the KFC Zingarito with hot and spicy zinger, creamy mac and cheese, and crispy turkey bacon wrapped in soft tortilla. So good, it's worth the guilt. Now that feels finger-licking good.
25 years of experience in administrative, commercial, and residential projects. YRD provided designs in more than 15 countries in Europe, Africa, and Asia.
At Burger King, we have flame grilled beef, lettuce, onion, tomatoes. Wait, is that supposed to be? Oh, yes, it is. The 2 for $5 mix and match deal, now with a side of PS5. Buy and play game in-app for a chance to win. Fresh, clean hair makes a man look powerful, but it can easily be disrupted by dandruff and grease. That's why I trust only in Clear Men. This is Power Hair. Clear Men. I have nothing to hide.
Aether Marketing Services is where you can find a delightful customer experience. It is for any business. To find out more, please visit our website, Aether Marketing Services, complementing one another.
This is a large 3-topping pizza from Dominos. You can carry one out for $7.99 every day. This is a 3-topping handmade pan pizza from Dominos, and now you can also carry one out for $7.99 every day. This is a logo from Dominos, and this is the end of the commercial from Dominos.